couldn't help but overhear you inquiring about hiccups. A hiccup is a sudden onset of erratic diaphragmatic and intercostal muscular myoclonus, which are often followed immediately by laryngeal closure. Hence, the abrupt air rush into the lungs induces the vocal cords to close, leading to a hic sound that you are currently experiencing. Have a good day.
Wait, who are you?
I'm a doctor.
Are you gonna help me though?
Nope.
Just breathe, my child.
Who are you?
I am Yoga. No one knows where I've come from, but if you search within yourself, you may find me. Just breathe. Since 3000 BC, shamanism, they have used me for healing and religion.
Oh my god, are you guys doing yoga for hiccups? Because I totally got an article 2 seconds ago totally talking about it. And there's so many blogs on Tumblr you guys should totally check out. Here. Thanks. No problem. So many strangers told me.
And now for the chin lock. Signature yoga for hiccups. Stand upright. Spine must be upright. Hold the shoulder blades together. Chest must be up and out. Chin down. And breathe in and out. 5 times. And in and out. In and out. Focus on your breathing. In, out. After this next breath, we're going to hold for 20 seconds. In, out, and hold. And breathe.
Oh hey, my hiccups are gone. Thanks for teaching me that.
Whoa! Since when did this become a yoga studio?
Oh, she was just teaching me some yoga for my hiccups.
Right. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
perfect. All right. Good. I approve.
You approve? Is that even in your scope of nursing practice?
Funny I should mention that, actually. So, right here, in the nursing... Okay, look at me. Right here, in the Nursing Practice Act, it actually says, whatever ensures that direct and indirect nursing care services provided for the client's safety, comfort, hygiene, and protection, and for disease prevention and restorative measures are within my scope of practice. So basically, as long as we're competent in the alternative therapies, we can do it.
Well then, proceed.
Good day, ladies.
Alright guys, so pretty much what we learned from all this research is that although there's no actual scientific evidence that correlates yoga to helping hiccups, pretty much as nurses, collaboratively, I think we would recommend it just because it's so cost efficient, there's minimal risks, you can do it on your own time, it's very cheap, and it's fun and relaxing, it can help you physically and mentally. Essentially, there really are no bad things that can happen if you do the yoga, so I think we would recommend it, especially for people who have intractable hiccups, which are those lasting greater than 48 hours.
So as nurses, we can go out and become competent at yoga. We can learn about yoga, we can go do yoga, have fun with yoga, because the more we learn about it, the more we can share with our patients. As long as we are competent at it, we can legally recommend it to our patients under the Nursing Practice Act. And as nurses, we are an ideal bridge between conventional medicine and complementary therapies such as yoga.
Namaste.
Dang it!